Hey guys, I'm bringing you another power pack session today. We're diving into something very exciting, creating and making money with AI art. Whether you're a side hustler, full-timer looking for a change, or just curious, this art is for you. Let's unlock this gold mine together. First up, let's talk about using AI to make cool art. Now, imagine telling a computer, draw me a picture of a superhero chilling in Baltimore. And boom, it does just that. That's AI art for you. It's like having your personal artist at your fingertips. It's not just about making art. It's about making art to sell. So here's your action step. Get familiar with AI art tools like Midjourney. Play around with them. Create something unique that speaks to you. Remember, your art, your rule. Now, let's turn that into cash. How? Print on demand. This is where you take your awesome AI art and you put it on t-shirts, mugs, caps, you name it. The beauty? You don't pay a dime until someone orders. No stockpiling, no upfront costs. Pick a on-demand service like Printify. Start with something simple, like a t-shirt or a mug. Put your art on it and see how it looks. Get feedback, tweak it, make it pop. Now let's talk quality. Quality, quality. I can't stress this enough. Nobody wants a blurry picture on their shirt, right? So upscaling your images is crucial. This means making your art look sharp and professional, no matter how big it gets printed. Learn about image resolution and upscaling tools. There are free tools out there, so no excuses. Experiment with different resolutions until your art looks perfect any product. It's time to level up your tools and your mark. Photoshop, Canva. These are your new best friends. They help you add that magic touch to your art. And marketing is all about selling the story, not just the product. Get familiar with these tools. Create different designs. Then hit the social media. Show off your creations. Engage with your audience. Ask them what they like. Make them feel a part of your journey. Last but not least, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try different products. Explore various platforms. Keep engaging with your audience. Find out what works, what clicks. And remember, every feedback is a step towards your success. So actually, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep hustling. There you have it, man. This is your blueprint to making it big with AI art and print on demand. Remember, it's about taking that first step and keeping the momentum. Put together a free PDF that elaborates more on the process. Just send me a message and I will gladly share it with you. You've got the power to create, to inspire, and to succeed. So go out there, make some art, make some money, and make it happen. If you like the content of this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, stay motivated, keep pushing the limits, and have a great day.